Welcome to AI Simplified.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel AI Simplified. In today's video, we will be discussing about sentiment analysis and how can you do it in just 3 minutes. So for this video, I am going to use a library called transformers. You can read about this. I will put the link in the description below. The video is about to do sentiment analysis in a fast way. If you want to learn more about this library, do let me know in the comment section and I will make a separate video for this. So without any delay, let's begin. First, I install this library transformers, and as you can see, I have already opened my Google Colab. I will also add the link to this notebook down in the description. It would be available in my GitHub. As you can see, I have the requirements are already satisfied because I have been running this notebook for last few hours. But once you install the library, you can see it shows completed or installed completely. Then you can use from this library a pipeline function. It's imported successfully. Then I will just create a classifier, and in the pipeline function you can pass different pipelines. You can read about them on the website, but I am gonna use here sentiment analysis pipeline. The idea here is not to train our models with the data we have, but to use existing pre-trained model and just do predictions on our data set. You can see here that since we have not passed any model name, it take default model as Distilbert base uncased fine-tuned SST2 English model. Now we are ready. We just need to pass sentence value. So here I write a sentence: I am feeling happy today, and I give it to the classifier, and you can see that it provides a positive label with a score associated to it. It's that simple. Similarly, I can say the movie was not good, and it assigned a label negative to it. So as you can see, it is very easy to do sentiment analysis with the help of this library. No need to train, just do prediction directly on your data set. One last thing I want to show is if you have a bigger data set, you can do is pass all the sentences together like this in a list form, and you can say happy me, ice cream was not good, or I would just say I'm feeling sad. Now you have the result, and you can go iterate through the result to get the score for like every sentence. Then you have to write a custom function by yourself to just create a overall score or confusion matrix over the whole data set. I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up, and please do subscribe to my channel. It will help me. Thank you guys.
Thanks for watching. Please like and comment. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel.